Hello friends, welcome to my channel as a Study Tech. So today we are into a new tutorial for Selenium Locator CSS Selector as part of Selenium Beginner tutorial. So in the previous tutorial where we have discussed in-depth brief introduction to the Selenium CSS Selector and different ways how can we use the CSS Selector in the Chrome browser or any other browser. I have shown a clear introduction where how we can find the different CSS selector based on the ID class, and we can find using a partially matched text and a partially matched starting characters and partially matching ending characters and in between characters, and comparing adding and how we can use the two attributes in a one CSS selector, and we have compared using XPath. So today we'll see the actual practical session on the Selenium WebDriver code. So let's get started. And if you are new to this tutorial, please do watch my previous tutorial on a CSS selector. I will share the link in the description section. Let's get started, and let me open my Eclipse, and I have a Selenium demo project. Under that I have created a locators class, locators package, and I will create a new class which is a locator underscore CSS, and we need a main method to execute our sample program. So we need to create a system set properties and browser instantiation for Chrome driver. So I have that code handy. Let me paste it directly over here. Yeah, and we are calling a URL which is a facebook.com. So let's open my Chrome browser and we'll see how we can find one of the selectors for ID. So inspect username, address, email address, and right click and go to inspect. And once we get this inspect mode and in HTML DOM, click on the input HTML element, and click on Ctrl F, and let's see how we can find a CSS path in input square braces ID equal to email. So I'm finding a value using an ID as an attribute value as email using a CSS value. So let me copy this and go back to our actual Eclipse code, and here driver, we already created a driver instance, and we will use that same driver instance, driver dot find element by dot CSS selector, and under selector we need to provide the value. So here this is an username, so we need to provide some value. So let me use the send keys here, send keys, and we'll give a value as username, and let me save this program and run quickly. Click on run button and it started. Let's open a browser. It launched a Facebook site and it typed the username here. So we successfully executed this ID selector for CSS. So let's use another approach where we have used a special characters like hash and found the IDs. So let's use that approach now. So for IDs we can use hash, and we need to provide the ID value. So ID value is email, so it's pointed and it is a 1 of 1. Copy this ID and go to Eclipse again, driver dot find element by dot CSS selector, and under selector we need to provide this value, and this is also a input we need to provide. This is an input parameter, we need to provide some value. So send keys, and under that I am ID for CSS and the value is, we'll see, we'll quickly run this. Yep, So we have successfully entered our value, which is our instant case, which is ID for CSS hash email. And now let's see for class. So let's go back to Chrome. This time I will try to inspect different element. Let's see for logo, Facebook logo. Okay, we need to remove this value. Yeah, okay, this Facebook value has a class, so let's copy this class value, and class will start with a dot operator, dot, and it has the two references. We'll remove one of it. Yeah, now it's successfully identified. It is a 1 of 1. So let's copy this value, copy, and go back to Eclipse. Driver dot find element by dot CSS selector, and in the selector provide this value which we have copied, and this is a logo. So for logo, either we can use get attribute. So we have used a class and we will get the attribute, which attribute has been used for this logo. So let's try that. Get attribute, or I can use a get tag name. Yeah, get tag name is the best one. So which tag has been used to create this logo, and I need to store this into a string so that I will print that string in the system out. String output equals, yeah, and we need to provide this in the output. So sysout, and under that we need to provide op. Let's save and quickly run this again. Yeah, so it's taken the tag name, which is an image. So we have say has the same image tag here. So this is how we can locate class. And let's go back to Eclipse, and we'll see a different when we have two different attribute values using in the CSS selector. So we'll try that one now. I will again try to inspect. This time we will go for password. So go to password again. So password has two attributes called name and ID. So let's use that approach. So input and square braces, input and square braces. Under that ID equals email. So it has 1 of 1. Let's see if we'll try another attribute, name equals to email. Yeah. So this is how we can use a multiple attributes in a one CSS selector. So now I got 1 of 1, but in some cases there will be a multiple outcomes. So it will be a 1 of 2 items or 1 of 3 items. In that situation we can use this one or more attribute values to filter out and use a 1 of 1 item. Copy it, go back to Eclipse again, driver dot find element, and find element by dot CSS. Under CSS provide this value, and this is an edit box. We need to use a send keys. We will provide the value as I am password. So let's save and quickly run this program. Okay, this has been entered in the username instead of password. We'll see why it has been entered into. Okay, I have used the email. Okay, so we'll see for password. Okay, password, it is a pass copy, go back to Eclipse again, replace this entire value, save and run again. Yeah, it's entered into the password. We successfully implemented this one or more attribute values in a single CSS value. So far we have seen for how we can use a CSS selector value for ID and class, and how we use one or more attribute values. Let's try for these special characters where we have partially matched starting with or ending with. So let's try one of them. Let's go back to our Chrome browser, and this time I will do it for input email address, and that we have ID. So I'm using concatenate operator to verify the starts with value. So try to say email, so I'm using em, so it's a 1 of 1. Let's go back to Eclipse again. Driver dot find element, and that by dot CSS selector and value as this one, and we need to pass send keys. Under send keys I am saying value starts with em locator, and save, and let's quickly run this to verify. So we have launched and we have written that value over here. So this is also working fine. So let's try with the ends with. So let me try give a dollar and email, it's an email value. Let's try the ending characters like il, and save the program and run again. Yeah, it's entered that too. Let's try another, which is a contains operator, which is a star. Let's see AMI. Contains. Let's quickly run again. So this time it's not worked. So let's see why it haven't worked. EM, okay, I used the wrong value. Email, EMA. Yeah, let's rerun again. Yeah, this time it is sent correctly. Yeah, and I will provide you one good tip for this, how we can every time we are launching a browser and we are closing manually, so we have two different codes that can close browser instantly. So one is driver.close. So driver.close, which is referred to the current window. It will not quit the entire browser, but it's close the current window. And we have a driver.quit. So it will close all the current existing windows. It will close everything, current action window and the other window, the foreground window. So it clears up everything. So let's use it one round of test for quit. You can see driver has been closed once it's successfully executed. Yeah, this is how we implement the CSS selector. So far we have seen how we can use this CSS selector in the Selenium WebDriver code, and we have seen example for ID, which refers to hash, and we have seen example for class, which is a dot operator, and we have seen how we can implement some of the partially matched text starts value and ends value and contains value, like using a concatenate dollar and star symbols in the CSS selector value, and how we have used multiple attributes to find the CSS selector. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel for more videos, and please share your questions, queries in the comment section. Thank you.